Alright, so I'm basically doing this video because I've been here 100 times and I don't want to forget how I did this. So here we go. My original hair color was dark ash brown, and I've been dyeing it dark ash brown for probably 2 years now, at least once every single month. My hair was very dark, as you can tell, almost black. It was actually a level 4. I actually used to use Excellence, L'Oreal Excellence dark ash brown. I did not want to go the bleach route, so I decided to not bleach my hair, and I just went straight for the splat semi-permanent hair dye, which was kind of a pointless process. I should have just skipped that and went to the bleach because it gave me like an ombre effect, which if you like that, cool. But I was not a fan. So my blonde obviously took the red very, very, very bright, and my roots, it almost made my dark ash brown even darker. So it made my roots look almost black. Now in the sunlight, it did put off a very nice red cast. So if you're wanting to stay dark and you're wanting just like a nice red cast in your hair, then the Splat Luscious Raspberry was a very good choice on anything that is lighter than black hair, if you're just wanting like a tint of red. But I was not looking for that. I was looking for more of like an all over bright red, like a level 6 color of red hair dye. So I left it like that for a week, and then I decided to go in with bleach. I started with some coconut oil, heated it up, coated my entire head of hair. Oh, and yeah, and I did take my hair extensions out in case you didn't notice. My hair is quite short. So then I went in with some splat bleach mixed with some 30 volume developer from Sally's. This is what it looked like. I coated my entire hair. I started with the dark parts first, and then I kind of worked my way closer towards the roots, but I never did put it right on my roots because the color that I chose actually is supposed to lift your natural hair color to the proper red that I chose. So it kind of had like a lightening process in the Garnier red hair dye that I picked. So this is what it looked like after I covered my head with a bag and let it sit for 30 minutes. This was after I had washed it and blow dried the bleach out. As you could tell, there's actually still a whole lot of dark parts to my hair. I was kind of scared to bleach it again, so I didn't mess with it. I considered a bleach bath, but I was like, I better not. So I didn't. I just said screw it, and I put the Garnier R3 Light Intense Auburn. I just coated it on my entire head of hair, even though it was like 50 shades of I don't know what color, and I just hoped for the best. So this is me applying the very orange tinted looking hair dye. It did get very red quite quickly. Very easy process. It was very smooth. It actually had an oil that you put in with it. The hair dye was insanely easy to apply, and then I did the exact same process to my hair extensions, and it turned out quite nicely, I will say. My roots to about, I don't know, 5 inches from the roots out was a lot more red than the ends of my hair. But when I put my hair extensions in, it did a really good job at blending and just making the whole overall look just work. So I'm going to leave it like this for a little while, and probably in the next month or so, I will possibly try to either bleach out those dark parts or just reapply that Garnier R3 and hope that maybe it will lighten my dark parts with each time that I use it. But overall, yeah, I'm pretty happy with the process. It was very easy. My hair was like minimal damage, super soft. I want to say that coconut oil saved it a lot. I swear by coconut oil, it's like the best. So yeah, if you have any questions, comment below, and please make sure you subscribe. Thank you.